Hello everybody, and how are you today? I hope you're doing great. It is a great day to be alive. Now, do you have brassy tones in your hair? Is your hair damaged? If it is, I found a great product for you. It's going to solve your brassiness and it's going to be a great treatment for your hair. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around.
Action fun and back to lock 19 with Marta.
Let me tell you that I have been dyeing my hair as far back as I can remember. I've gone through the entire color spectrum, from jet black to strawberry blonde to everything that you can imagine in between. Now, what has that caused? Well, it's caused damage to my hair. And especially now, because I've got it so long, it's very hard to keep that color from going brassy. And the reason is that I lift my shade at least 4 shades. So I'm gonna get the brassy tones to come out. My natural hair color is a very dark brown, almost black. So when I put in the blonde hair dye in there and I try to lift my natural color to a blonde color, 4 shades, it's gonna come out a little brassy. It's very difficult to tame that brass, and a great solution is when you go to the beauty parlor and they, bleach it. But I don't want to bleach it because I already have damaged hair. So what I tried is shiny silver. Yeah, that's what I tried. Now, shiny silver has shampoo, conditioner, and this treatment. This treatment is the one that I wanted to use because the shampoo is stronger. It'll lift more of the brass out, but it's also very drying. And I've got dry hair already. I've got damaged hair already. I don't want to do that. So I said, well, even if it tones down the brass just a wee bit, I'm going to be happy for it, especially if I don't damage your hair. Once you damage your hair, that's it. It's damaged, I mean, you can fix it a little bit, but not all that much. So let me tell you about this. The instructions say to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes on clean hair after you wash your hair. So I washed my hair, I put it on for 3 minutes, and I checked it to see what was going on. The first thing that I noticed is that it works just like a conditioner. My hair felt so soft. I'm gonna put a picture of how my hair was before, and as you can see now, it has just a wee bit less brass. On this area over here, I think it worked better because I have more gray hair there. And I think that if I use this again and again as part of my regimen, I think I'm gonna really help tame that brass. One of the things that I know for sure is that it gave my hair so much body. Look at this. I mean, it's like I have a wig on. It's like I have suddenly all of this hair. I mean, I always had a lot of hair, but now I've got, wow, I'm super happy. I really like this stuff. And it really made my hair soft. And let me show it to you. I want to open it because now I don't have a paper towel. You know how that is, but look at this. The color is a purple, a very deep type of purple. And it just feels emollient and rich, and it smells divine. It smells so fresh. I'm trying to find something I can wipe my hands with, but it smells so fresh. It doesn't smell like a perfume. It smells light, natural, clean. I couldn't be happier with the scent. I was a little worried about it, but I couldn't be happier with the scent. And it does linger a little bit on your hair. So I'm very happy about that. I really love this product. You know that I love hair products. I try to share a lot of things that have to do with repairing hair because for me it's very important since I have my hair so long. I'm going to put a video that I recommend that you watch to help you with hair repair. In the meantime, I hope that you subscribed and hit that bell so that you get more videos like this with products that are good for either your hair or your skin. And I hope that you like this video. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.